Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to check internet speed from Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check the internet speed from Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, select your profile that you use into Netflix, and after that tap into My Netflix option at the bottom right corner, and from there go to these three bars at the top right. Just simply tap into that and go to App Settings option. And after going into the app settings, you just simply have to scroll down to bottom and you will see this diagnostics option, and into here you will find the option of internet speed test. Just simply select that option into here and it will lead you to your web browser and open the site of fast.com, and after that the site will show you your current internet speed. As you can see here, my current internet speed is 250 Mbps. By following these very easy steps, you can easily check your internet speed from Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.